Hello, my name is Adrian Arredondo, District 11 4-H agent in San Patricio County. Today I have with me Taylor O'Brien and Trinity O'Brien, and we're going to talk to y'all about disinfecting barns.
Hi everyone, I am Taylor O'Brien, a Texas 4-H Livestock Ambassador from San Patricio County. Today I'm here to talk to you about disinfecting. So disinfecting is extremely important in regards to livestock projects at the end of a show season. And it's kind of a long process, but it's definitely worth it when it comes to preserving the health for your livestock animals for the next year. So what we do is after the show season ends, we make sure to clean out all of the shavings and anything that has built up in our pens. And so we scoop it out and then we pressure wash it all out till we have clean pens. And then we take out all of the feed buckets, all of the water buckets, and everything so that it's empty. And then we use the sprayer here to disinfect our entire pens. We use this Tektrol disinfectant mixed with water to spray the entire area, and we let it dry just so that everything is properly disinfected. Once we've done this, the next thing is we also clean all of the water buckets and all of the feed buckets that have been in the pens. To do this, we have a scrubber and some Clorox bleach, and we put some water in it and we scrub all the water buckets and feed buckets completely to make sure that all the germs and bacteria have been gotten out. After we've disinfected and cleaned the whole barn, we prepare for animals for the next year. So we put all our feed buckets and water buckets back in, and then we put shavings in our pens. What we have here is in each pen we put 2 bags of pelleted shavings, and we fill them up and put them in the first quarter of the pen so that our animals have a nice area to lay down. And we leave these shavings in for about a month, or we replace them as necessary because we want to make sure that we keep the animal pens clean.
Hey guys, so I'm Trinity O'Brien. I'm also a Texas 4-H Livestock Ambassador, and I'm here to continue our talk on disinfecting barns. So while it's super important that we keep our pens and buckets and things clean, it's equally important that we keep our materials clean. So we have an extra set of a washer and dryer at our barn so that we can wash our blankets, muzzles, halters, leg wraps, towels, anything you can think of. We always put our halters and chains in this anti-fungus equipment dip that we use. And then anytime our animals leave the barn, they're in a clean blanket or muzzle and whatnot. And then before they come back into our barn, we take those off, we put a clean blanket on them, and then we wash our blankets and halters with detergent and bleach so that we can just knock it out and bring back clean livestock into our barn without bringing any fungus or any other outside problems, so that we can keep our projects healthy. So we're going to talk about one of the most overlooked ways to keep your livestock healthy coming into a new show season. So we need to make sure we remember to clean out our trailers. Every year we clean out all of the shavings, and we still need to power wash it, but we're going to power wash it, clean up all the mats. If you have mats in your trailer, you might want to take them out, and we spray it with water and Tektrol to disinfect it. And it's just something that's really important that everyone usually forgets about, to make sure that your trailer is super clean for a new show season.
Hello, my name is Quinn Birkenall. I'm the Assistant Agent for DeWitt County, and today I'll be talking to you guys about how to clean and disinfect your stock show equipment. That is, season has come to an end. This is a great time to get in there, clean your box out, see if you need to buy any more equipment or soaps or supplements or something like that. This box here is one of our old ones. It's about 10 years old, and it's seen a lot of miles, or had a lot of miles put on it, so we clean it once or twice a year. We've really been able to extend the life of it. And then the cleaning solutions I like to use is Mr. Clean, because it's a disinfectant and it's a degreaser. So this is great for working on a lot of tough grime and stuff like that. And then just simple 409, but I've got this in my own spray bottle. So when I like to start, I go with the thing that's going to take me the longest, and that's the brushes. For any cattle or sheep or goat guys, your nylon ropes, halters, stuff like that, you can use the same cleaning method. What I like to do is take it and give it a good rinse, try to knock off all the dust and anything else inside of it, any of the oils. Quick rinse. And then I drop it into a solution for about 30 minutes and use about a quarter cup of the Mr. Clean for a gallon of hot water. Leave it in there for 30 minutes, and that's good for plastics, nylons, but I would not use it for any kind of leather goods. All right, so I've had this brush soak in here for a while, for 30 minutes. So then just take it out, rinse it off. Try to get everything out as much as possible. Wring it and then let it air dry till it's done. Next, I like to come in here, and if you're like us, have a lot of rags. So take them, throw them in the washing machine, some kind of bleach solution in there, that should get them clean. Then the next thing is cleaning off your equipment or your bottles. So I like to take the 409, give it a few good sprays, and just wipe it down. You know, when you're at the pens, you have it sitting on your show box in a pen caddy. There's dust in the air. You have feed on your hands. You have, you know, maybe some kind of conditioner or soap on there too. So it's going to get a lot of grime and junk on there. So wipe it off, and I like to wipe off the nozzle tip to make sure that stays clean. A couple sprays. And then try it with this bottle of Show Sheen. Just wipe it down real well. Get it all over. Same thing again on that nozzle, just to keep it open, and we'll keep spraying for you. Then take the sticks, start the handle, and just wipe up. Really wipe down your tassel on the end here. Keep that clean. And then after you clean everything with the 409, just let it air dry, and then it should be ready to go back into the box. So after I would clean everything out of the box and wipe it down, you can either take like a vacuum cleaner and try to vacuum out all the dust and the shavings and everything. Me personally, I like to take a air compressor with a hose and then just spray everything out of there as best as I can. And after that, with a galvanized box like this, you could use a warm water solution with some soap in there and just wipe it down, and use a rag or some kind of sponge or Brillo pad if you have anything that might have leaked inside your box. So proper maintenance of your equipment and your supplies will keep the life going on them. You'll get many years out of them, and at the same time, you're going to keep your animals clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.
Thank y'all so much for tuning in with us today.
Remember to keep your trailer, your buckets, your pens, and all your equipment clean and disinfected.
And we really hope that these tips help you accomplish your project goals. Y'all stay safe and healthy.
And remember to wash your hands.